In this video, we're going to work through a word problem. The basketball team raised a total of $1,350 at the hoopathon. The amount raised is divided equally among the team. If the team has X players, what is the expression that represents how much each person would receive? We know we have $1,350. We know we have X players. The question is asking how much each player would receive, or dollars per person. In this case, person and players are interchangeable. So we want to go with some operation which will take dollars, players, and turn that into dollars over players. So the simplest operation that does this is 1,350 divided by X. And we'll see that that gives us some Y dollars per player, which is what the question is asking. How about for this problem? Noah earned X dollars over the summer. Edward earned $45 less than Noah did. What expression represents this situation? Remember, an expression is a mathematical sentence that does not include an equal sign. We know that Noah earned X dollars, and we know that Edward earned some amount of dollars less than Noah. So, which operation will give us some X and give us something less than X by some constant amount? Well, in this case, we can see that X minus 45 will give us how much money Edward has. If, for instance, Noah earned $45 over the summer, Edward, having earned $45 fewer than Noah, would have gotten $0.